Gator Millworks is located in Denham Springs, Louisiana. We are an architectural millwork company that builds casework and trim work for commercial and residential spaces. I think it's important for anyone in manufacturing to making sure that your team is connected with information. If you can move information, that requires a lot of technology to do so and support to do so. Moving those pieces and not letting them sit is important. You know, our engineering team is making work order tickets that actually go to the shop floor so they can, cut the work, machine the work, band the work, build the work. But for that to happen, it takes, other information and technologies in place to do that. Making sure that the structure is in place for all this to happen, to move information, it's critical. I would recommend ITinspired for support of your office or machinery shop. You're going to get commitment from them, dedication, understanding, them trying to understand what it is you're doing so they can make sure they protect that and also advance that. When someone needs to come out on site to do things, they tell us the time, they show up, they do it, they work with us well, there's no complaints. The ITinspired team is great.